In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and add voiceover in CapCut PC. If you need to narrate your video or explain your steps out loud as you edit, CapCut on PC makes it simple to capture a clean voice track and place it right where it belongs on your timeline. Start with your project open and your timeline visible. Look toward the action toolbar that sits directly above your timeline tracks. On the right side of that bar, you'll see a small microphone icon. Hover over it, then click. That opens the voice recording pane, so you can set things up before you start talking. A configuration box will appear on the right side of your screen. At the top, open the Input Device drop-down and choose the microphone you actually want to use. If you're on a laptop, you might see both a built-in mic and any USB or headset mics that are connected. Pick the correct one so CapCut captures the best possible sound. While you're here, check the box labeled Mute Project. This is important. It temporarily silences the audio from your timeline while you speak, preventing your speakers from bleeding back into your microphone and creating echoes or feedback. With the right input selected and your project muted, you're ready to record. When you're set, click the big red record button in the panel. CapCut gives you a clear 3-second countdown. Use that brief moment to take a breath and get into your first sentence. As soon as the countdown ends, begin speaking at a steady pace. Keep your mouth a consistent distance from the mic for an even volume, and speak naturally so your narration matches the energy of your video. When you're finished narrating the section, click the same red button again to stop. CapCut instantly places your fresh voiceover onto the timeline as a new blue track lane beneath your video clip. It's neatly aligned to the moment you started, so it syncs with your footage without any extra effort. You can see the waveform and confirm everything landed where you expected. That's the whole process. Open the voice recording pane, select the right input, mute the project, record with the countdown, and stop when you're done. Clean, instant microphone narration, synced perfectly to your timeline footage. You're all set. Now you know the fastest way to capture narration inside CapCut on PC, without leaving your project or juggling separate audio apps. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.